Everyone. In the previous video, we learned how to publish a file that we've created in Power BI desktop into the Power BI service. And you can look at the previous video if you want to understand how to publish a file to Power BI service. And this is the file we've got. Now, once we've uploaded the file, let's say we want to refresh the data. How do we go about that? So once you're in the Power BI service, you click on Workspace and My Workspace, and then you can select the report, or you can go to the dataset and find the corresponding dataset, and then click on the Refresh Now button. So it says the refresh failed because I need to install a gateway at my end to enable data refresh. So I can click on the Install Now button, and it's downloading the file, as you can see here. We'll just wait for the file to get downloaded, and then we'll install the gateway. So as you can see, I've got this downloaded file here, and I'll just right click and run it, and run as administrator, and I'll just click yes. So I'll just click next, and I'll just click on I accept the terms and then install. And now it's prompting me to enter the email address I used to log into the Power BI service. And now it's seeking the password, so I'll put in the password. And hit enter. And you can see the gateway is online and ready to be used. So I'll just go and close this and go to my Power BI service and click again on datasets. And click on the refresh button. And let's see. And we'll use this data gateway, and I'll just click apply. And now it says your data source can't be refreshed because the credentials are invalid. So we will just edit the credentials, and I will put in the credentials I want, and click sign in. And looks all right. So what we'll do is we'll just refresh this. So we'll go back to our data set, and we'll click refresh. And as you can see now that it's preparing to refresh the data. And you can see the last refresh time was 9:17 p.m. And you can see now once the data has been refreshed, the last refresh time has also been updated. So in this video, we learned how to, one is download and install a personal gateway, and then edit the settings so that for the credentials for the database, so the data gets refreshed. We can also go in and schedule refreshes here, which we'll cover in further videos. But I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.